morning. I am Dr. Pradeep, Department of Chemistry, Bishop College, Trichy. I would like to explain hydrogen bond. When hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegative atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, the bonding electron pair is drawn towards the electronegative atom. Hydrogen has no inertial electron and is very small in size. The positive charge density is high. The nucleus of hydrogen atom is exposed to attraction by nearby electron cloud, a lone pair of electrons on the electronegative atom. Here, two hydrogen fluoride molecules are there. Hydrogen is bonded with fluorine as shown in dotted line. Definition: electrostatic attraction between hydrogen atoms bonded to a small, strongly electronegative atom, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine, and the lone pair electrons on these electronegative atoms. Here again, dotted line shows hydrogen bonding between hydrogen and fluoride. Essential requirements for formation of hydrogen bond. First one is a hydrogen atom must be directly bonded to a highly electronegative atom. Example: fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Second condition: an unbounded pair of electron, lone pair electrons is presented on the electronegative atom. Given four examples: hydrogen fluoride, water, ammonia, methanol. All the four having hydrogen as well as electronegative atoms. Hydrogen bonding again, there's two types. One is intermolecular and the other one is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond between two molecules. Intramolecular hydrogen bond formed between two different atoms in the same molecule. Here I have given one example: nitrophenol. Nitro group which is having oxygen. That oxygen is act as an electronegative atom. Hydroxyl group hydrogen act as a hydrogen electropositive atom. So it attracts electronegative atom. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals forces. Now, the importance of hydrogen bonding in physical phenomena. Let us take one example: water, ammonia, hydrogen fluoride. So these are all can form hydrogen bond. That's why it is a it has highly boiling point. So let me say the order: water, hydrogen fluoride, ammonia. Next, enthalpy of vaporization. Again, the hydrogen bonding play a vital role. Here, water, these hydrates of chalcogens. So again, water gets more enthalpy of vaporization. The reason is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Other three has dipole-dipole interaction. Next phenomenon is boiling point as well as solubility of alcohol. So when you compare alcohols with diols, alcohol is more boiling point as well as solubility due to their intermolecular hydrogen bond. In thiols, dipole-dipole interaction. So when you solubilize alcohol with water, obviously it will form intermolecular hydrogen bond. So the alcohols with low molecular masses are soluble. Another concept: importance of hydrogen bonding in biochemistry. Usually, protein and DNA and its structure mainly consists of hydrogen bond. Protein basic unit is amino acid. So amino acid which contains amines as well as acid. Here is a dipeptide. Two amino acids combination is called a dipeptide, which form through peptide bond. The peptide bonds, a number of peptide bonds you can say, you can call the polypeptide, polymer of amino acid. These amino acid chain can be formed like a helical structure with the help of hydrogen bond. So it is a secondary structure of hydrogen bond. And the next example is hydrogen bonding in DNA. DNA contains genetic information, consists of two macromolecular strands spiraling around each other in the form of a double helix. So this is the structure of DNA. Now, what are all the things in DNA? Nucleotide comprise sugar unit, phosphoric acid unit, nitrogen containing heterocyclic bases. What are all that? Adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. Here, adenine and thymine can bond with the hydrogen bond, and cytosine guanine also bonded as the hydrogen bond. So the structure of DNA is well explained in this YouTube link. You can go through it. Thank you. Do you need any help, any clarification, you can contact me with this number as well as email. Thank you all.